Hello, my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars. Welcome to day 7 of our 30-day Phonics Boost. Well done on coming this far. Remember, just a little bit every day. Try your best, join in, and we're going to see an improvement in those phonics skills and our confidence too. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. So we started looking at 5 new sounds yesterday. Let's remind ourselves what they are. P, G, I, O. But of course, I need to hear you joining in as well. So my turn, then your turn. Are we ready? P, G, I, O. Excellent. Now it's going to be just your turn. Are we ready? Excellent. Think you can do it a bit quicker. Are we ready? Do you think we can do it even quicker, my phonics superheroes? I think you can. Amazing. Now, of course, we're not going to forget those sounds that we were looking at last week. So, are we ready? In fact, it's going to be just you. Are we ready? Now, I know you can do these ones faster. Are we ready? Amazing. Now, let's put them all together. Are we ready? Getting our phonics brains working. Amazing. Well done, you. So the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the P sound. Now the P sound is a short sound. P, P, P. Let's practice saying it. P, P, P. Excellent. Now we know how to say the P sound. Let's look for some objects that start with the P sound. Right, phonics superstars, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the P sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh, it's happened again. My box is empty. I think we need our phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? That's right, hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it's worked. Phew. Right, are we ready? Pig, yes. Orange, no. Pizza, yes. Nurse, no. Panda, yes. Excellent. Now you've helped me sort them out. I'm going to put them back in and then I'm going to bring them out much quicker. And I want you to tell me if it's yes, it starts with P, or no, if it doesn't. Are you ready? Excellent, well done. That was very fast. Now, I think it's time we work on our listening skills and practice our oral blending. Right, my phonics superstars, you know what to do with that oral blending. I sound the word out once and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? Listening ears on. P, E, N. Pen. P, E, T. Pig. Excellent. Now we've worked on our listening skills, it's time to practice our reading. Right, my phonics superheroes, we really need our brains switched on now to practice our reading. My turn first, then your turn. Pen. Your turn. Pen. Pet. Your turn. Pet. Pig. Your turn. Pig. Excellent, well done. Now it's just your turn. You ready? Pen. Pet. Pig. Excellent. Now I think you're ready for a challenge. You ready for our challenge word? And today, our challenge word is puffin. Now, puffin is one of my favourite birds. And our challenge word today has got a digraph in it, which means two letters are making one sound. So our two letters F are making a F sound. My turn first. Puffin. Your turn. Puffin. Excellent. Your turn again. Puffin. Well done. Now we're going to have a little rewind and go over some of the words that we were doing in the last few days. Right, just you are going to sound out these ones. We ready? Net. Nap. Excellent. Now for this word, I'm going to see if you can just say it, see if you can remember it. Are we ready? 10. Excellent. Right, want to hear you sound it out? 10. Excellent. Now it's time to move on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is into. 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 Excellent. And the tricky words that we were looking at before, we're just going to go over two today. We've got, what's this one? No. Is. Let's put our new word into with these ones. Are we ready? Into. No. Is. Excellent. Now just you. Oh, excellent. Well done. You worked really hard there. We are nearly finished with our day 7 phonics boost. Well done you for getting this far. We're going to go over our focus sounds again, then we're going to play our little game. My turn first. P, G, I, O. Now it's going to be your turn. Do you think you could do it faster? I know you can. Excellent. Right, now I'm going to start taking them away. Right, I want to hear you say them and I want you to hear me tell me which sound is missing. Which sound was missing? I. Excellent. Right, I'm going to take a different one away this time. Are we ready? Which one was missing? P. Well done. Right, I'm going to take another one away. This one should be easy. Let's see. You ready? Which one was missing? It was Excellent. Excellent, well done. You should be feeling so proud of yourself for how hard you've worked today. Day 7, you've completed it. Well done. I can't wait to see you again for day 8. But before we do that, we must give ourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. Excellent. See you tomorrow. Bye.